Today we're doing an introduction into how to plant a tree for the native tree area scheme. We're going to show how far you need to space the trees and how to plant a tree, put up the stake and put up a deer shelter. First you measure 2 metres off your fence line to plant your first tree. You drive the stake to support the tree shelter. Drive the stake about a foot in the ground. You can use a driver like this or a sledgehammer will do the job. Next, you plant your tree beside the stake. Dig a good deep hole in order to make sure that the roots are all in the ground and well spread out, coming to about 1 inch above the roots. Once the tree is planted, you put on your tree shelter. Take care putting on the tree shelter not to damage the tree. And the tree shelter clips onto the stake with cable ties that can be released at any time for maintenance. Next, you measure 4 metres to plant your next tree. This is the same process repeated of putting up your stake, planting your tree, and putting up your tree guard. To start the next line of trees, measure 4 metres perpendicular from the last tree planted. Again, it's the same process of putting up your stake, planting your tree, and putting on your tree guard. And that's how to plant a tree and put up a tree guard for the native tree area scheme. To recap, you're setting your tree back, planting your first tree 2 metres off the fence line. To plant your next tree after this, you're coming in the line, you're 4 metres, you measure 4 metres, and then to start the next line, you measure another 4 metres. So the spacing between the trees is 4 metres by 4 metres, 2 metres off the fence line. And obviously you repeat this process over the whole field.